Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Make for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be popping this palette's cherry. This is the Bunnies palette from XNO Cosmetics. I'm about to have an orgy with these ladies right here. So, this was a subscriber gift from Christine. Christine, you don't know how much it means to me that somebody cares about this channel enough to, like, gift me shit. It really fucking matters to me. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I can't express the gratitude that I have for you, and I can't wait for you to see this video. So, the alien mother was talking on Instagram about how she liked to, in the springtime, wear one color with the matching shimmer. And so, basically, like, this palette is set up, but like, so that you can wear one and one and one and one and one and one and one. But you guys know me, I can't fucking do that. Like, I fucking have to put every fucking color together and see what I can pull off. And so, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, or hearing my final thoughts on this palette, like you don't already know my final thoughts on the fucking palette, or if you guys just like to watch, then hang out. I've been using my camera for all kinds of shit, so I had to get everything set. I think we should be okay. Okay, I'm going to start with my Crown C528, but it's the bigger one. And I'm actually going to start just doing some weird shit. I don't even know. I'm going to start with my P. Louise and Mama Mitchell Acid Rain eye paint in the color Nitro. It's the green. And I'm just placing this in the back corner. I don't know if any of you guys have ever heard of Kelly Eden, but, you know, before Mitchell and Stacey Marie and everybody started using bases and doing all these different things, Kelly Eden was one of the first people that I used to watch, and she would use liquid lipstick for eyeshadow and base and all different. I mean, she was very creative about it. Now she just does like Japanime and stuff. So I just kind of went through and like blended out the edge, because I'm going to go into the color Butterfly. And I'm basically just using that as a base. Sorry about my lighting there. And I'm just going to start packing that. Oh yeah, that's like a perfect matchy poo, huh? That looks really good. Honestly, I feel like it would have looked good. I'm just packing this and kind of dragging it. And then I'm going to use my Voldemort M506, and I'm going to go into the color Jelly Bean. And I'm going to use that to blend that out. And I'm just going 50% on and 50% off. Ooh, that's really nice color. Fuck, these colors are cute. I'm just packing this along that line, and it looks like I've gotten myself into a predicament, but I don't think I have. Maybe I have, though. You guys know, there's a pile of shit within 20 miles of me. I'm stepping in it. And then I'm going to go in with my Jessup 227. And I'm going to go into the color Ribbon, into my inner corner, and 50% on and 50% off that purple. It's been a while since I've done something really weird, crazy. I'm just taking my pinky and getting it good and relaxed. Dragging it out. Yeah, that's blending really nicely. And then I'm going to go back down into the purple. Just gently pulling this up. Ooh, that looks really good. You guys can't see me, can you? That looks good. And then I'm going in with my Crown C528 into Butterfly, which is a fucking beautiful color. And back into Jelly Bean. And then back into Ribbon. I like that. And then I'm going back into Butterfly just a little tiny bit more. Now I'm just very gently feathering this up. I'm gonna create some fucking art today. Man, that color is fucking good. And I'm just gonna take that along my lower lid. And I'm going to use this big AOA E126. Blend out all these edges. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my... I'm going to use my Voldemorphe M421, and I'm going to use that to apply NYX Glitter Primer on my lid. Sorry guys, I'm out of practice. I'm going to use my Jessup 234, and I'm going to go into the color Tulip. And I'm going to place that along the top. And then I'm going to go with the back side, and I'm going to go into Clear Skies. This fucking color. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, for real. Oh my god, dude. No, no, no. Holy fuck. That's fucking crazy. Holy cow. Fucking seriously. Oh my god. It just doesn't even matter. I'm a fucking alien girl, man. I am never unsatisfied with these shimmers. Never. I fucking swear to God, I am never unsatisfied with It's crazy. It is fucking crazy. And now I'm going to use my Jessup 230, and I'm going to go into that pink, the Tulip, and I'm going to spray it the way Annette sprays it so I don't miss. Okay, and then I'm going to use my Voldemorphe pencil brush from the Ice Lake collection, and I'm going to go into the color Sweet. And I'm going to use that in my inner corner. Well, it's a really pretty color. It's like super pretty, but there's not like enough contrast between the pink and that for me. On the bottom where I wet the brush, like on the top, there's a lot of contrast, but... So I think, all right, I'm just going to go like this with my brush. And I'm going to go into the color Golden Egg. Oh, look at that. Can you guys see that? Here. It's like coated. Oh my god. And that's with no, oh my god. And that's with no spray. That's fucking pretty. Cool. I'm just going to take this AOA and I'm going to go and kind of just give this a little rundown. Give it the rundown. And then I'm going to go in with my Crown C528 and I'm going to go back into the color Butterfly. And just kind of... She's done it again. I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. Because that's the look. I mean, what do you guys think? You think it's done or do you think I should do some more? So, this is the Manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in Miss Fury, my Urban Decay 24/7 gel liner in Woodstock, my Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine in Big Bang. This is actually one of my favorite lip glosses ever. And what else? Oh, and I use my, excuse me, hold please. I use my Alien Cosmetics highlighter in Comet. And I use my Hourglass blush in whatever the fuck, this color right here. And I kind of just used it twice. Yeah, honestly, this palette performs well. I'm not sure that this is like my favorite look that I've ever done. I did go in and like just work on it until I got everything like looking like somewhat melded. I feel like I chose the mattes poorly. Me and Zoe both agree that this isn't the best look I've ever created, but these shimmers, this fucking blue, that gold, all of them that I used are really good. The only ones I didn't use were the green and the orange, and they did look like they were a little bit different of a consistency, but I mean, I don't know. Like they looked like they were a little bit more subdued, but maybe they're not. I just haven't used them. So anyways, this is the look. I fucking love it. It looks amazing. I feel amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality, my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. I didn't talk that much on this video, so you're probably not offended. So we'll just skip that part about where you should go to my Instagram because I could shut the fuck up on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.